Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am giving you guys my updated curly hair routine. Even though I feel like I have done lots of different curly hair routines on my channel with different product lines, I haven't really given you like a solid curly hair routine recently. So that's what I'm here to do because I've gotten so many questions asking me what my updated curly hair routine is. If you enjoy beauty content, then please go ahead, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this video. You will find out through this video that my routine is all about efficiency and effectiveness. I don't want to spend a ton of time on my hair. I love curly hair, but the process of washing, deep conditioning, styling is not something that I love and enjoy, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there. So I have cut down the time that it takes me to style my hair by quite a bit. So to start off, I wash and condition my hair about every 5 days, and I'm not gonna give you guys the exact products that I use because you can use whatever products you want to use for this routine. So I use a good shampoo and I use a good conditioner to do that, and I do deep condition my hair once a week. And typically I do that in the shower. I like to use deep conditioners that you only have to leave on your hair 3 to 5 minutes. But if I do have the extra time in my schedule, I will wash my hair outside of the shower and deep condition with a more intense deep conditioner that you have to leave on, 15-20 minutes. And now that I have washed my hair, I do need to re-wet it because it has been a little while, and I like to make sure to add my products onto pretty damp hair. If my hair has already started to dry and I start to add my styling products, if it's already starting to get frizzy because there was no styling products on it, then that is how it's going to dry. So I like to apply my products to hair that is pretty damp. Once my hair is clean, the first step in my styling routine is to go in with a leave-in conditioner. I change up my leave-in conditioner all of the time, but I like to go in with a leave-in conditioner. Today I'm going to use the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. This is one of my favorites. I always like to use a leave-in that has thermal protectant in it because I do diffuse my hair every single wash day. And then I just comb that through. Now that my leave-in is in, the next step in my routine is to use a volumizing foam. This is something that I never go without now. My hair is thin, it's low density, and I need all of the volume that I can get. So I love a volumizing foam or mousse. Today I'm gonna use the Diffusing Girls with Curls Volume Loving Mousse. Again, you can use whatever kind you like. I change it up every wash day. I just like to rake that into my hair. I do use a pretty generous amount of the foam because it is very, very lightweight, and I like to coat from root to the ends. And with the foam, I like to get in there right at the roots because I want there to be a lot of volume at the roots. Now that the mousse is in, the next step would be to add a cream, but I have kind of stop using cream products. I really don't use a ton of cream products. The only time I really do go in with a cream styler is when I feel like my hair is really, really lacking moisture and needs that extra boost of moisture, but I'm getting that with my leave-in, so I don't typically feel like I need a ton of cream styling products for that extra moisture. I like to use the foam to give my hair lots of volume, and then I like to use a gel. Now, something I do really love are products that have that consistency that is kind of a cream and a gel at the same time. The Irish Sea Moss Gel from the Lust brand, I absolutely love that product. It's so, so good. And then I believe it's called the Curl Boosting Cream from Madison Reed. That is another cream product that really, it performs like a gel. I like to find products that are either a gel because that gives me hold, or products that kind of are that combination texture. I need something that's going to give me definition. I need something that's going to give me hold, but I need something that's not going to weigh my curls down. So today I'm opting for the Diffusing Girls with Curls Jelly. This is their coconut curl jelly. Gives my hair lots of hold, lots of definition. And again, I am just gonna rake that through the hair. And because I don't have a ton of hair, I don't feel the need to section my hair off to add product to each section or anything like that. Again, my updated curly hair routine is all about efficiency and effectiveness. I don't want to spend a ton of time styling my hair. Okay, once I have all of my products in, I just start to scrunch with my hands. Something that I used to do with every wash day once I put my styling products in is I would go in with the Be Hairful brush, or I would go in with the Denman brush, section by section, and comb it through and clump my curls and do all of that. And that would take me, you know, an extra 10 minutes to do that. I no longer do that either. It's not that that doesn't work, because it does, but I find with my hair being thinner, when I use the Denman brush or when I use a brush to really clump my curls, it makes me look like I have less hair, and then I have to go back in after I've dried my hair completely and take all the extra time to separate out the curls, and it's just too time consuming for me. So I just take the easy route, and I don't do that. I just, again, rake my products through, scrunch them, and that gives me piecier curls. Some people don't like that kind of look. Some curly girls would rather have those nice curl clumps, and that's totally fine. I love a good curl clump. If I had more hair on my head, I would love to continue to do that. But because I don't, and I want to look like I have a lot more hair than what I really do, I stay away from the curl clumping. Once I have scrunched my hair with my hands for a minute or two, then I go in with my hair repair t-shirt towel, my favorite towel of life. It's the only thing that I use. I also used to plop my hair every single wash day, and if you haven't seen my plopping video, I'll leave that linked in the description box below. It is something that absolutely still works. I love the plopping method. It's something that I swore by for so long, but because I am working towards efficiency, I want to be quick, I want to be in and out, I typically don't plop anymore, because that again takes more time. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes of letting your hair sit with the t-shirt towel on it, but it does help to encourage the curl. So I would recommend, if you're someone that's just getting started on your curly hair journey and you're really needing those extra steps to help encourage your natural curl pattern, plopping is a great technique for that. Again, check the description box, or I'll leave it here in a card, and you can click on that and see exactly how I plop my hair. I do have a discount code for this towel that is also in the description box. Now that I have all of my products on, I have scrunched. I've scrunched with my t-shirt towel, and the t-shirt towel really helps to soak up any excess water or excess product that my hair doesn't really need. And now we are ready to diffuse. I'm not going to show my diffusing process. If you guys want me to do a separate video on exactly how I diffuse my curls, I am happy to do that, but I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair, and I will be right back. And we are back. My hair is, I'd say, about 90 to 95% dry. At this point, I like to go in with an oil, and I like to use a very lightweight oil. This is the Curlsmith Bonding Oil. I love this one. I like to use an oil to scrunch out any crunch. So I have not scrunched out the cast from the gel. So this is where I just start to scrunch out that cast. And remember, my hair is not 100% dry yet. So I just do it easily on the ends, because the ends of my hair are dry. And then I'll go in and just barely kind of separate my hair at the roots a little bit. That way, if they're still a little bit damp, I'm not going to ruffle them up and cause any frizz, but I am going to separate any clumps that have been created at the roots, and then I will go back in with the diffuser and diffuse it the rest of the way. So let me go ahead and diffuse the rest of the way. Now my hair is 100% dry, even at the roots, and now I'm going to go in with just a little bit more oil, like maybe 1 to 2 pumps. Just smooth that between my hands, and again, scrunch And this is just gonna add some shine. And now that my hair is 100% dry, I can really get in there and start to shake out the roots without causing frizz. You never wanna get too aggressive about shaking out the roots or anything if your hair is not 100% dry. If your hair's still damp, you can cause frizz. And then once those roots are shaken out, I am done. I have all the volume, I have the definition, and I have the hold that's going to make this wash day last for a good 5 days. That is my updated curly hair routine. I think sometimes we get a little bit carried away with the curly hair routines and there's just so many steps, and I have just gotten to the point where I don't have that kind of time in my schedule. I'd much rather be doing way more fun things than sitting in the bathroom, styling my hair, deep conditioning, and doing all those things. You still do those things, but you can do it in a more efficient way. So I love the results that I've been getting with this routine, and I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this routine. Is this similar to your routine? What kind of things do you do that I am not doing in my routine? I would love to hear from you. And that is it for this video. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.